This video, I will show you how to add a quiz in Hostinger website builder. So to get started, go ahead and search for the quiz code on the value tree schools. Now go ahead and head over into the Hostinger website builder website. Sign in into your account. Now once you're signed in into your account, head over into the website's list section, and in here go ahead and look for your website that you want to modify. To be able to edit your website, just go ahead and click on that edit website button beside that specific website. So make sure that you are selecting the correct website to where you want to add your quiz. So what you'll need to do in here is to simply click on that edit website button beside that specific website to modify that website. Now once you click on that edit website button, you'll get redirected into your website. Now on your website, what you'll need to do is to go ahead and scroll down into the area where you want to add that quiz section on your Hostinger website. On the left side of your screen, you'll be able to find the tools that you can use. Click on this add element button on the tools section, and under the element section, you'll find this embed code tool. So go ahead and drag that into the area where you want to place it, and go ahead and click on that enter code button above it. Now go ahead and head back into the value tree schools and copy this code from bottom to top. After you copy the code, go ahead and head back into your Hostinger website account and go ahead and paste the code into this section. Now after you paste the code, click on that embed code button. You can go ahead and resize your quiz and drag it into this section. Now go ahead and click on that update website button at the top right of your screen and go ahead and access your website to be able to test if the added quiz works on your Hostinger website. And that is basically how you can add a quiz in Hostinger website builder. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.